Nige minado hyo irithite na mbere kuiguka matura-ini ngurani muingi wikungwira arutwo aria mandikithite maumirira mega kigeranio-ini gia KCSE mwaka uyu. Mwena wa Mpeketoni kaunti-ini ya Lamu, Bernard Muriithi kuma thukuru-ini wa anake wa Alliance aregwatira grade ya A na pointi 81 akiuga kiroto giake ni guthie university-ini ya Nairobi athomere kothi ya urigitani.
Okay, I expected good results because I had done some effort and I had worked hard while in my 4 years all the way from Lamu. When you go there, you're expected to do the hard work. So I believe I had all it wanted for I to be.
Na ninashukuru vile matokeo, nimesikia matokeo, nimeshukuru Mungu ni kwa sababu amepata A zote. Nashukuru walimu wake na pia wazazi wa ile shule wameshikilia watoto wote.
Na kwa mwena wa Baringo, Efi Naikena kuma thukuru-ini wa iretu wa Kipsigis arakorwo ari umwe wa aria matongoretie guku bururi-ini akiuga ria aiguire minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha agithoma ritwa riake aramenya kiroto giake gia guthie university-ini ya Jomo Kenyatta ni giakinyanira.
They mean so much to me. I've worked hard since Form 1 to Form 4 and I'm grateful for what God has done for me.
Mwena wa Garissa ona matina tigwo na thutha gukungwira muruto wa mbere thukuru-ini wa iretu wa El Azhar uria uregwatire grade ya A- akira arutwo othe utiramakania kuria mundu aumite bata ni gwikira kio mathomo-ini make.
The rest of the student is not to give up and to work hard and to achieve their goals. Most importantly, to respect their teachers and follow them and to adhere to whichever rule they are given. And also to not to leave God aside.
We are happy of today's result. First, I want to thank the Almighty God who has given us this opportunity. And last year we got an A-. This year we were expecting at least an A+. But lucky enough, we still managed where we were last year. We still got an A-. First, we want to thank our parents who have given us support up to this level. I want to thank also my team, that's the teachers.
Kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, thukuru cia Ndukiumbe ni cikite wega muno cikiringithanio na thukuru cia secondary cia muingi. Amwe arutwo aria matukite wega makiuga o murutwo wothe no anyite grade iria arenda, magicokeria arimu na arutani ngatho ni kumanyitirira miaka iyo ena. Giribotera Kameme TV, Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Bũrũri.